And welcome again to another tutorial. We are still with the topic of how to make your yoga fun. For me, fun means to enjoy something, so to feel that I'm in a joyous, joyful space. And also, fun means to do something that I am natural with, that I don't feel that I struggle with. So, something that feels good in the body. It's not too much effort, but it's a little bit challenging. So it keeps us engaged. So when you do your practice, whatever your practice looks like, it might be advanced, it might be beginner. Those words might not mean anything to you. It might just mean walking or swimming or dancing. So for some of us, that's our yoga practice. And it's always nice to just kind of think of how to make what you do for physical activity. So for me, that's yoga, how to make it fun. So, first of all, to be enjoy, so enjoy, and also to feel natural in the body. And that's basically my two things that I apply to make my practice more fun. And it works for me. So we're actually going to start seated down or sitting down. We've got about 10 minutes. So I think we can go through some of the postures and movements and see if we can apply be enjoying it and be natural with the body. Those two things. So sitting cross-legged, you can just start to move the body from side to side. So enjoying yourself. So even if you have to fake it a little bit, smiling is a beautiful way to tell the body that everything's fine. And then go a little bit deeper into the sides. So you can come onto the elbow. And we're kind of just rocking the body. So now take the arm up and over. And the second thing is to do what feels good and to be natural. So if you're going slower, that's also good. So be in your body and just move in a natural way. Let's do a couple more. Good. And then slowly come up. Arms out, stretch, breath of joy. We breathe in, we look up. And then we exhale and we wrap the arms around us. We give ourselves a big hug. And then we just drop the head. And you can even move a little bit here. Breath of joy. What a name. Inhale to open, stretch. And then exhale, squeeze, almost like you're getting a hug from one of your loved ones. Inhale to open. Exhale to squeeze. One more of these, breath of joy. And then squeeze. And then slowly relax. Bring your feet to the floor. We're going to do a little bit of a balance called a toddler waddle from one of my online teachers. So we're going to balance with the arms. We're just going to lift the feet. And we're going to kind of take the arms to the sides and the legs to the other side. And then moving the limbs in whatever way feels good. So still getting a little bit of a workout, but enjoying it. And if you need to take a break, you can take a break. Otherwise, just moving the body, maybe rolling the ankles and the wrists. Remember always that you must be able to breathe when you practice and smile. Good. And then come to center, feet down, and then hands onto the knees. Lift up the chest. And then exhale round the spine. And again, lift. So arching the back. And then rounding the spine. One more. And round the spine. And then slowly back to the center. Come onto hands and knees. Fingers spread, hands underneath the shoulders. And then we're going to take the right leg back. And then bring it forward, step it to the outside of the right hand. And then just look forward as you go down. This is our lizard. And then almost like you're going into the back of the cave, tuck the back toes and take the hips back, head down. So peeking out of your cave, you look up, look right and left, and then go back into your cave like a lizard. Forward. So this should feel really good and gentle and back. One more, forward and back. And then come to a neutral space again, hands underneath the shoulders, foot up, back. And now we take it to the other side, left leg back, out to the side, step it forward, outside of the left hand. Tuck the back toes. And then like you're a lizard, you look out to the right, to the left, forward, and then back. Retreat into your cave. We go forward, move a little bit here, getting some sun, and then back. So bringing some playfulness to your practice is a beautiful way to add more fun. Let your imagination go wild. Go back into the cave. One more. And then back. Retreat. Back to the front. Hands down. Neutral spine. Step back. And then take a child's pose. So child's pose is one of my all-time favorite postures. You can have the knees wide. You can have the feet together. And we're going to move in this one. So you can come down with the body, head down to the floor, and then take the hands off the mat to the side. We're going to lift up, look forward, and then twist to the right side. So look back, center, and then to the left. And center. To the right, center, and then to the back. And then continue, do a couple more in your own time. So I think you're noticing a little trend here. We're moving the body in a very natural way, doing what feels good. We're in center, and then hands underneath the body, onto the mat, lift up, tuck your toes. And now we're coming to stand. So we're coming to stand on the feet. You can take the feet a little bit wider, and we just hang. So have one elbow in each hand and hang forward. I'm just going to turn to the side so you can see. And then just start to bounce the body here. And then let the breath go with that. So making a sound as you do this. One more. And then relax. Let the hands go. And exhale fully. And slowly come up. Take the arms wide over the head, stretch. And then bring the hands into the heart. And then you can come to balance onto your right foot. Bring the left foot to the inside of the leg. And just find the balance here. Allow the body to relax now a little bit. Keep the eyes closed and keep looking at one spot so you don't fall over. This is your tree posture. A beautiful way to add a little bit of fun and enjoyment to the practice is to soften the eyes and bring a little smile to the face. And then grow your branches like a tree. Stretch up, lift the foot, place the left foot down onto the left, we lift the right, Hands into the heart. And then if you fall out of it, it's part of the practice. Exhale, maybe sigh it out. And like a big tree, we grow our branches, we stretch up tall. You take a deep breath in, just like trees, breathe in. And then exhale the hand, leg forward, foot down, and bring the arms down next to the body. And then again, you can find a seat so you can sit down. And then just close your eyes for a moment. So feeling that you can reach up with the crown of the head. Breathing in. And then exhale. And relaxing the shoulders, breathing out, letting all of the air come out of the body. With the next breath in, pull the shoulders up into the ears. And then hold the breath. And then exhale, relax the shoulders, breathe out completely. Let go of any tension. And then just breathe normally for a moment. Keep the eyes closed. Feel the body. Feel that just a little bit of movement does wonders for your body. So even if it's just a couple of minutes every day, feeling present, feeling comfortable in your body, almost feeling like you're wrapped in joy. Let's give ourselves one more big hug. You can open the eyes. You can take the hands out to the side, look up. And then as you exhale, wrap the arms again around the body and squeeze. Drop the head. Close the eyes. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths. So deep breath in and exhale. Keep squeezing. Keep yourself in this embrace. Inhale and exhale. One more breath in. And slowly exhaling, letting all of that go. Then you can relax the arms, rub the hands, place the hands over the eyes. And then slowly open the eyes into the hands. And you can bring the hands down to the heart. And then just enjoy this feeling, this sensation, just for a couple more breaths here. So I hope you enjoyed the little session. Feel free to connect, feel free to communicate and contact me. If you have any questions or if you want to add what you do to make your practice a little bit more fun. Namaste.